How to make chicken curry. The ingredients you will need. You're going to need 1 kilogram of chicken with bones, and then you're going to need 2 cups of milk, 2 cups of water, and 3 tablespoons of oil. You're going to need turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons, red chili, 1 teaspoon, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, and salt to taste. 3 tablespoons cilantro, 1 tablespoon garlic, 1 green chili, and 1 whole big onion chopped. 2 tage patta, 1 cinnamon stick, custoori methi 1 tablespoon. 2 tablespoon tomato paste. And 15 cashews and 10 almonds, all grinded. Garam masala, half teaspoon. So the first step in making chicken curry is to rinse your chicken. You're just gonna rinse your chicken and you're just gonna keep on washing them with no soap. It's just water that you're rinsing them with, and you're just gonna gently rub your hands all over them. Once you are done rinsing your chicken, you're just gonna shake your chickens in like this little bowl, and it's just gonna take most of the water off, just so then it's just not too wet. And now you're just gonna add a little bit of food coloring. This is like optional. You can add as much as you want, and if you don't want any, that's great. And then you're just gonna add salt to taste, so as much as you want. But we just added half teaspoon in this. You're just going to mix it all together. You're just gonna cover your chicken and put it on the side or in the fridge for half an hour. Now you're going to add your 3 tablespoons of oil in a big pot. You're going to make sure that your oil is warm and heated, and then once it's heated, you're just gonna add in your 1 big onion and make sure it's chopped. Now you're going to add your 1 cinnamon stick and your 2 tage pattas. You're just going to mix this all together. Once it looks like this, you're going to add 1 tablespoon garlic and 1 green chili. And now you're just going to mix that all together. Now you're going to add 2 teaspoons turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon red chili, and salt to taste. Now you're going to add 2 tablespoons tomato paste. Mix it all together. Now you're going to add your 1 kilogram of chicken with bones, and then you're going to add garam masala, half teaspoon, and then you're going to add 15 cashews and 10 almonds, all grinded into your chicken curry. Now you are going to add your 2 cups of milk into your chicken curry, and you're just gonna mix this all together. Once you've mixed your chicken curry, you're just gonna add in your 2 cups of water into your chicken curry, and you're just gonna keep mixing it. Now you're going to add 1 tablespoon of custoori methi into your chicken curry. And now you're done, but you're not exactly done. Now you have to let it sit for 30 minutes, but it has to be covered. But in those 30 minutes, every 5 minutes, you're going to have to keep stirring it just so it doesn't stick. This is how you make chicken curry, and the list for all the ingredients will be down below in the description. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.